love the services here. From the time I walk through the door, the time I leave out, everybody here seems like they're ready to help and ready to see a happy client walk out the door, I would say.
And how do you feel about your results with Vivix Credit Solutions?
I think my results are great. A big improvement from the time I walked in the door. Not knowing nothing pretty much about the credit, I would say, situation, and leaving out with the information and tools to improve my credit. I think the team was great. Information I received was great. Everything was great.
And if you could rate our services 1 star to 5 being the best, what would you rate Vivix Credit Solutions?
Say 6. 5, of course, is something I'll recommend to everybody who's in a situation as I were when I came through the door. It's a big improvement in a short amount of time, I would say. I recommend everybody come check out Vivix Credit Solutions.